Butterfly Meadow. Doesn't that just have a wonderful fresh look? This is a new paper pack from hot off the press, and there are 12 sheets. These are paper. They are double-sided. 80 pound is the weight of the paper, and included in every package you're going to get an insert like this, and on the back of it we'll show you a card, a scrapbook page, some related items, but I'll show you those projects in just a moment. Let's take a look at the papers. As I said, they're 12 by 12, and you can see the color combination that we're using. Butterflies all around. Here is the back side of this one, just really, really pretty and subtle. And then we have more color going on, as you can see. And on the back, this whole fluttering of butterflies. Now with this darker area, you could turn it any direction you wanted. So that's kind of fun to have. And then we have another. And as you can see, more colorful butterflies, always some in the shadows along with all of the foliage. Here is the back side of this. And another, just beautiful, some coming up from the top. Now, if you're a scrapbooker, you know you're going to put your photos probably in this area. If you're a card maker, think of a sheet in terms of 4. They're going to be able to get 4 cards out of every 12 by 12 sheet. So this could make a front, this could make a card right here, and right here. As you can see, it just works perfectly. And then on the back side, there's even more options should you want to use those. Here is another. Just all of that is so fresh and so much fun. Here we have another all over pattern, and you can take these flowers and have them at the bottom or have them on the side, whatever you like. Now there are cutouts. In total there are 64 cutouts. Well, that's because you get 2 of every sheet. And look at this, just a beautiful array. Now some of them have the words right down here, so just snip those out. These are, you can add dazzles, you can do stamping, you can do whatever you want. We just couldn't resist a few butterflies. Now the back side of this is an all over pattern. So that's what you're going to get. Now, what can you do with them? Well, let me show you. Here is one of the papers as a scrapbook page, so left full size, and you can see what a beautiful look this is. Now this is one of those cutouts that was computer journaled, so that's another way. These are some of the cutouts, another of the cutout, and it perfectly matches the butterflies that are on the paper. Adding a little bit of the glimmer ribbon and some purple jewel dazzles is a beautiful look. Here is the card. We'll get in a little bit closer here, but as you can see, there's one paper in the background, another one that's been torn along the middle, inked with a pink ink pad. This is one of the cutouts, and here is another. And of course, dazzles, border dazzles, jewel dazzles just make a beautiful look along with the black ribbon. And Missing You, there are just so many of those greetings and messages in this one. Another thing that can go with these, and this is really hot off the press, is our Butterfly Meadow chipboard. There are 13 pieces here. They are delicate just like the artwork, and they are beautiful. Found it best that when you go to pop them out, push them all from the back toward you, or turn them over and push them, because they are so delicate. You just want to make sure that you get them out easily. There is, as always, a card on the back, but let me show you that card. And here it is with the Butterfly Meadow papers. This is the cutout. There's another of the cutouts overlaid. And in this case, Debbie left the chipboard just solid, just the color as it comes, and layered it on top to create more dimension into her card. Just a beautiful look, and she couldn't help but add the purple jewel dazzles just to add a bit of polish and color to it. So we have the Butterfly Meadow chipboard, and then we have, of course, the Butterfly Meadow papers that are oh so beautiful and very, very special, something brand new from hot off the press.